is Cherise Omondi, and today we are going to be making tropical mix smoothie. The ingredients are strawberries, bananas, lime, and natural honey. First, we need to peel the bananas and cut them into small pieces. Now we have our peeled and cut bananas. Now we put them in the blender. Take your strawberries and carefully place them in the blender. After that, take fresh squeezed lime juice into the blender. And now it's time to take a cup of honey and also pour it inside so the smoothie can be sweet. Now cover and blend. Switch off the main switch and check if the smoothie is ready. Yes, it is ready. Now it is time to serve. Enjoy! It tastes good.